Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 27th of July to 2nd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Let's see what does my Capricorn have. All right, some kind of a closure, some kind of family issues, some clearances in your life going on. New communications, a lot more. You have a lot of things in your life right now. So you are dealing with your money, you are dealing with some kind of cutting off with some people, you are dealing with success, and the people around you are also, you are actually getting some kind of attention now from some people I'm seeing over here. Let's clarify now what is all this. Okay, so your core energy is the Queen of Swords and your hindrance card is Temperance. So I really feel that over here there is there is a cold shoulder, not cold shoulder, there's a cold, someone has stopped talking to you, or you might have stopped talking to someone because the things are not going well, because the balance is not there. There's a feeling with you like you are talking to a person who doesn't match, with whom you are not able to match the same frequency, same wavelength. That is not there basically. So that is why you are getting some kind of a problem. You are no, this is not the person for whom I'm waiting. This person is thinking something else, I'm thinking something else. So what? They are good at talking, so what? No, but they have something else in their head. Let's see, Queen of Swords, Two of Rods, and Ace of Swords. So yes, a communication, something, a confusion, confusion in the communication. That is something which I'm seeing over here. You are dealing with a person who doesn't even know what to talk, when to talk. So that person doesn't even know what he or she wants, and you are like, okay, so I'm patient. You are being so patient with that person. Okay, I'm waiting, tell me more. I'm still waiting. Okay, I'm understanding you. Now what? You are just understanding this person, and what about this person? Is he or she able to understand you? I don't see that. No. Let's clarify the Temperance over here. Oh my god. Five of Swords with the Three of Wands. So this person might be far from you, and you are waiting. What are you waiting for? You are just waiting for this person to tell you what they actually feel for you. And what are they doing? They are just coming towards you when they need you. They are not giving you the attention you want. They are just coming towards you when they want to come. That is what is happening over here. You are in that phase. You are not this person. It's from your heart. You are feeling like, what is happening with me? I am talking to this person, and what this person is giving me, the cold talking, that thing which I don't want to listen. I'm sharing my beliefs, I'm sharing my emotion, I'm getting emotional with this person, and this person is just coming to me when he or she wants to talk. Why? Let's see with the Nine of Pentacles in your subconscious energy, Queen of Wands, and King of Cups. So yes, I'm seeing you You are independent. You are working for yourself. You are not working for anyone. But these emotions, they are actually, you are getting emotional for a person who is not even looking at you. You are giving attention to someone who just wants attention, but when it's their turn, when it's their time to give you the attention, they are not here. They're not looking at you even. So you are so emotional, and look at this person, might be dealing with a Leo, but I'm seeing that this person is, no, it's a no from them. It's like they just go towards that person with whom they just, they need some emotional baggage, not emotional bond. Basically, they are feeling that kind of an emotional bond with you for some time, but rest of the time they just, okay, I should go. When they need gossiping, when they need attention, when they need some kind of, love, they are coming towards you. And when they do not want that, when they are in their work zone, they don't even need you at that time. They are like, oh, I'm busy, I'll talk to you later. Okay, let's see the 10 of Pentacles in your past energies. Page of Cups and 8 of Wands. See, I'm just telling you, they are like these people. They just communicate with you when they want, just they come out from nowhere all of a sudden, and all they want is attention. They're like, at that time they're like, oh, we are family, we can have kids together, we can have this. They are just talkers and nothing else. I'm not seeing them very mature over here. Let's see your conscious energy with 6 Knight of Cups, 8 of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. So you consciously, you are actually, you just are going with this person, this talker. This person, he knows what to talk about. With the King of Knight of Cups, please be aware, with the Knight of Cups, he is a playboy. I'm telling you, I'm not sensing this person as a good person, because this person knows what to talk, when to talk, and this person comes to you when he or she needs you, and all you are giving is your time. See how you're so sincere with this person. You give your time. Time is so important. You are giving your time. You are giving a very an offer of stability, that you come to me, I'm there for you, I'm there for the stability which you need, I'm there for you. And that person is, oh, okay, I'm coming to you, oh, I'm crying, please help me. See, and no, this person is, I'm sorry, but this 5 of Swords, it doesn't give me any good energy over here. This person is very clever, very. Alright, so let's see the Ace of Swords in your future energies. Ace of Cups and 8 of Swords. Okay, so till Ace of Swords and Ace of Cups, it was fine for me. Like new things are coming. They are coming to communicate to you. They are offering you the offer of love. But with that, they are also offering you this cage. When you will be restricted, you are entering in that zone. You are yourself entering. This is a self-sabotage mode where you are entering. This person is not. This person is a talker. This person knows how to talk. This person knows how to make you feel comfortable with them. But all you are getting involved in, you are getting yourself into that restriction. When you will yourself be not able to come back to your main point, you are over here, you are working. See how beautiful your energy is. So why are you becoming, you are in 9 of Pentacles mode, so why are you going in the 8 of Swords mode? Why are you just going towards a person who will just make your life restricted, who will not give you the things which you need? I don't know why you're going. So let's see your energy. See, your energy is Page of Cups. So you are so happy to find this offer of love. I'm seeing that it's making you happy at least. But with the Tower and Ace of Wands, this Ace of Wands is a very passionate beginning, but it has come with this Tower. Tower. So see, this Ace of Wands is coming with this Tower. So this is something which actually, this is a big hint for you that whatever you are entering into, it is coming with a destruction. So if you are entering, if you are ready to offer, to accept this offer, it will give you some kind of destruction. Sudden change is going to come in your life, and with that, the Tower will fall, the relationship will end, because that person needs some kind of attention. This is an attention seeker over here. I'm not finding good about this person. The Star and Three of Swords. See, all this person is, it makes him or her happy to be the attention seeker, to become the star. You know, his or her hopes are really high that I am getting what I want. So this person, that arrogancy level is coming in their mind. But with that, the Three of Swords is also here. So they are doing this not for love. They're just using you. I'm seeing that. You know, just some kind of emotional attachment. Not even attachment is also not here. They just want attention. I'm not getting good vibes from this person of yours. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's see the World card in guidance. Knight of Wands and the Hanged Man. Alright, so the clarity is here now. So this thing, what the guidance card, see, the guidance messages are over here. The universe is telling you that this might be written in your chart. So this might be in your, you know, karmic whole cycle. This person had to come in your life to make you, to give you some lessons. So what is important in your life? To learn the lessons, basically. And with this, the two main cards are Knight of Wands and the Hanged Man. This person will never be able to take any decision for you. You know, they will always be come and go kind of a person, because all I'm seeing is Knight of Swords. Where is that? Knight of Cups. Yes, Knight of Cups over here. This person knows how to talk. This person knows how to seek attention from you very well, but this person knows how to be the person, the one who can you be attracted towards. You know, you are getting attracted towards this person, but this person, when the time will come when you have to take a decision, they will become like, they will ghost you. I'm telling you, will be ghosted by this person. Let's see the Tower. See, your overall outcome is also the Tower over here. The Tower has come over here as well. So let's see what is the outcome over here. Eight of Cups with Four of Pentacles. Alright, so there is some kind of arrogance in your side. I'm seeing you might not even listen to me right now, but I'm seeing that there is some kind of an attachment with this person. You are getting, because you are King of Cups over here, you are giving the emotional, you know, you are getting emotional with this person. You are not letting this go, but the total outcome is this Tower with the Eight of Cups. They will leave you at some point or the other. All they want is attention. They want love from you, but they are not ready to give that love to you. Alright, Capricorns, that's all from my side. I hope you liked the reading, and if you really liked it, please give a thumbs up, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.